our chef who must be back here at the chef's table. And I always ask Barbie what it is. Here's just like last year. Anyway, that's going to tell you a little bit about what the food is. So if you listen up.
Everybody, welcome to the Spirit of Lake Murray. I'm Chef Matt Gillespie. I've made some delicious heavy hors d'oeuvres for you tonight. First up, right up front here, we have vegetable crudité with blue cheese dressing. Then in this first dish, we have French brie that's wrapped in puff pastry with honey, brown sugar, and pecans. And that's really delicious. I don't know, love that. There's some crackers to go with that also. And then we have roasted chicken quesadillas, and there's some homemade pico de gallo salsa over here that goes with that. And then roasted beef tenderloin on whole grain rolls, and there's some horseradish cream sauce to go with that. And last but not least, Beaufort County crab cakes with roasted red pepper remoulade. So hope y'all enjoy that. Have a great cruise.
There are also drinks at the bar, so feel free to get soda. There's soft drinks.
So we do it on
Enjoy your hors d'oeuvres. Remember, the chef said